Good morning, everyone. Before start the presentation, let me introduce myself. My name is Nikantria Harisma. In this session, I will presentation the article on journal that Scopus Index. The title of article is Change in the mitochondrial membrane potential in endothelial cells can be detected by Raman microscopy. Okay, let's start the presentation. Next slide. Mitochondria in endothelial cells. In endothelial cells, mitochondria have a significant impact on cellular function under both healthy and pathological conditions. Hence, the disturbance of mitochondrial dynamics contributes to AD. The AD is endothelial dysfunction. Even mitochondrial dysfunction in endothelial cells can cause oxidative stress, but it didn't happen right away. This is possible because mitochondria are small cellular structure and they require sensitive methods to follow subtle biochemical change. When the contribution of mitochondria is disturbed, endothelial dysfunction occurs, which can lead to the development of disease in the blood vessels. Next slide. Okay, to detect the change of mitochondrial membrane potential in Raman in endothelial cells can be detected by Raman microscopy. And the right side on slide is the picture of Raman microscopy. And how Raman microscopy works? Raman microscopy allows for tracking change in cytochrome C redox state that can be considered as a marker of mitochondrial activity. Cytochrome C is a soluble hemoprotein present in mitochondria and acts as an electron carrier from complex 3 to complex 4 in ATC. Raman microscopy can show how organic compounds are distributed in cells, including proteins, lipids, nucleic acids, and cytochrome C. Raman microscopy is considered a high-resolution method. And next slide. Methodology in this article. Step in research. Step number 1, cell culture. Primary human aortic endothelial cells, or HAEC, were cultured in supplemented endothelial growth medium. The cell culture was incubated at 37 derajat Celsius in the air humidified cell culture incubator. And step number 2, Raman measurement. Raman imaging was accomplished using WITC confocal Raman microscope and operate via WITAC control software. And step number 3, measurement of the MMP. The MMP measurement were performed using a microplate reader. And next slide. Visualization of mitochondria in endothelial cells. Detection of mitochondria is using the label-free RM approach. Raman spectra of live HAEC are characterized by the intense resonance Raman bands at 1586, 1315, 1175, 1130, and 750 centimeters, which are markers of hemoprotein, assigned mainly to cytochrome C in the reduced form. During the electron transport, cytochrome C changes the oxidation state of the iron located in the center of the Hem group from Fe3 plus to Fe2 plus state, and after donating the electron to next carrier, the iron atom returns to the Fe3-4 state. The Raman spectrum of cytochrome C depends on the oxidation state of the Hem iron as well as the protein concentration. The reduced cytochrome C is often considered as a marker of mitochondrial activity, and its Raman signal is used for imaging the distribution of mitochondria. As can be seen, live cells exhibit high mitochondrial activity, unlike the fixed ones. One of the main goals of this work was to visualize the mitochondria in the AC. And next slide. Do stress hormone affect the mitochondrial membrane's potential in AC? Used to MitoBody as a potential probe to detect change in MMP was to understand in this phenomenon. The influence of hormones on the potential of the mitochondrial membrane is much weaker and more intricate than in the case of the other compounds. Next slide. Okay, thank you all for listening my presentation today, and thank you for the nice attention. And goodbye.